gas.
My father was a bad man, a man of the system, a man of the Stasi, who tried to make me the same. In our first book of the Grimm series, we wrote down the story of how I escaped my father and built a path for myself. It led me to prison, but ultimately to freedom. It is the Grimm mythology, a path from darkness to light. How you deal with the shortcomings of your own father determines if you can make it from darkness to light. Number 1, research your family history and listen to all sides to get a full picture of the karma that your family has been carrying for generations. Number 2, do the math of pain. Take a good look at the pain your father has endured in his life. Take a good look at the love that he received. Judge a man by the simple principle. Did he give more love than he has received? If so, he is a good man. Number 3, bury your father. No matter if your father is alive or dead, bad or honorable, you need to bury him. You need to live as if he is dead. Otherwise, you are chained by his expectations. Once you live like your father was dead, you will more deeply honor him, value his guidance, and grow to be your own man. Number 4, write down on paper the values of your father. Underline what resonates in honor, cross out what does not, and then write your own value set. Number 5, forgive and fly. If you carry resentment, this resentment chains you to the past. Forgiveness builds you wings. It's not about excusing your father's actions. It's about freeing yourself from the weight of his mistakes. Burn the paper of your father's values, good and bad, and forgive him. Not for his sake, but for yours. Only through forgiveness, you become the man your son truly needs. Number 6, no man escapes alone. Find other honorable men who will guide, challenge, and stand with you as you build a new life. That's why we have built the Ring of Grimm. And finally, of course, number 7, be the father you needed, not the one you had. Each generation moves forward step by step if you have honor in your heart. If all this resonates in your soul, read the literature of Grimm or listen to me telling the story in the audiobook. Chances are you will come out as a changed man on a higher path than your father. Honor will come.